In this video, you'll learn how to update contacts in Mailchimp. By following these instructions, you will be able to efficiently manage your contact list and ensure your audience is up to date. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage. Open your web browser and enter the Mailchimp URL. Once the page loads, you should see the dashboard displaying various options to manage your account. This is the correct screen to start the process. Next, locate the Create Email button, which is typically found at the top of the dashboard. Click on this button. After you click, a new email campaign setup screen will appear, allowing you to create your email. Once this appears, look for the Close option, usually positioned in the upper right corner of the email setup screen. Click on Close to return to the main dashboard. This action will redirect you back to the main Mailchimp interface. After that, find and click on the Tour option. This is typically located in the email campaign section. When you click on Tour, a prompt will appear asking, who are you sending this email to? This indicates that you are on the right track. Now, click on the To button again. This will take you to your audience selection settings. It is important to ensure you are selecting the correct audience for your email campaign. Next, look for the Add Contacts option on the audience screen. Click on it to reveal additional options for managing your contacts. This will help you to proceed with updating your contacts list. Locate the Upload a File button and click on it. This option allows you to upload a file containing the updated contacts. Be mindful that larger files may take longer to upload depending on your internet speed. After clicking Upload a File, you will see a Continue button. Click on Continue to proceed to the next step in import process. Ensure you have a valid file ready for upload. Now click on Select a File. This action will open a file browser window. Navigate to the location of your contact file, which should be in CSV format. Selecting the correct file is crucial for a successful import. Once you have selected the CSV file, click on Continue. This will initiate the upload process. Depending on the size of the file, you may need to wait briefly while the system processes your upload. At this point, you may need to wait for a short while as Mailchimp processes the uploaded contacts. The system typically provides feedback during this period, indicating that the upload is in progress. After the processing is complete, find and click on Organize your contacts. This option allows you to sort and categorize your updated contacts effectively. You might see a message recommending that you keep all your contacts in one audience. This is beneficial for personalized marketing efforts. Pay attention to these recommendations for optimal management. Next, click on Continue to advance to the next step. This will help you finalize the import process and ensure your contacts are organized properly. Continue clicking through the prompts as they appear. Each click on Continue will guide you through the final stages of the import process until you are ready to finalize your updates. After several confirmations, you will eventually reach a step labeled Finalize Import. Click on this option to complete the import process. This action finalizes all changes made to your contact list. Finally, click on Complete Import to officially conclude the update process. This step will confirm that your contacts have been successfully imported into Mailchimp. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. And see you in the next one.